Releasing dopamine.
What's up, guys? The boys and skimming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Walk one peeps. Are we there with another announcement? Updates. Yeah. And as you guys clearly can see, up there so on my logo it says Sinus Entertainment. And you guys must be wondering what is happening. Alright guys, so if you don't know, I have two audience. I have the gamers, which is 8,000 subscribers, and I have the entertainment peeps, which is the other couple of thousand subscribers. Alright, and my entertainment people saying one thing, my gaming people saying one thing, and for algorithm and business wise, I decided to split the two. Alright, so this channel, which have a greater portion of subscribers, that is entertainment, and then the gaming side, which is about 8,000 something subscribers. I had another channel, guys, that the name Sinus Entertainment, to separate the two from the get-go, but I was supposed to kick it off this year, but you know, the big C, Corona happened and everything, and it really just threw off everything on the plan. And also guys, I never want everything to conflict and all over the place, because I'm very multi-talented, guys, and I wanted a platform to just really just showcase the different sides. I'm the brand and our brand, you know, cause it's a team thing, not just me alone. But peeps, gamers, I'm going to need your help. Peeps, I'm gonna need your help if you're into gaming and my gamer people, because this is scary, to be honest. I remember just starting Sinus Gaming, and it was 1.5 years of a whole lot of work and stress. One of the hardest part was reaching my first 1,000 subscribers. People, that did rough, you know, and I had to work and study a lot. I have worked so hard over 3 going 4 years, December coming right now, to make this brand where it is. And yeah, you know, still studying and understand, and that's something that my team and the rest of my people are saying, that I should split the thing, and I only think it makes sense, so the entertainment people can just focus on entertainment and not feel interrupted by the games, especially if they're not into gaming, and the gaming people can just focus on the gaming, the live stream, everything game relatable, gaming vlogs, etc. So guys, I really and truly need any help, because this just making this this new step, guys, is scary, and it was stressing to the point where I not even did upload nothing yesterday. I literally sit down, entertainment peeps, and just think about it, because it's a lot of work. It's not easy. I'm afraid I'm not gonna get the support, and I'm gonna fail, you know. But I try to think positive, and I've been gone through so much thing to where the brand is today. I realized that I alone can't do it. I couldn't do it without you guys, so I just want to know to help me right now. As I say, I make the changes, and I will start streaming on the new Sinus Gaming today. I'm just making some adjustments and changing up a whole lot of stuff and preparing things to kick it off. But my gamer peeps, them who still rock with me, please head over my page. I beg you know. I'm gonna put the link down there, and subscribe, and so we can reach this 1,000 quick and get things kick off. All my sponsors, them and people, are still one brand, still Sinus. Alright, those 2 different channels, and I just hope you rock with me. And yeah, it's very scary. You know what I mean? Please me a big on the phone help, big up on yourself. Thanks to everybody who support me. Entertainment peeps, me they are cater for you. Gaming peeps, me a cater for you. This is very scary. Thank you very much. I really hope this no fail or mash up. So I know some of my entertainment people them love the gaming too. So as I said, the link are they down there so. And so tomorrow entertainment peeps we're back on the regular schedule. But just try sort out all of this to better content so we can grow and also just level up, you know. So yeah, it's scary. I don't want to make that video too lengthy, people, you know. But yeah, I beg for support really, because I can't do this alone. I really feel like I start over back from scratch. Actually it is. So share up the thing, like up the thing please. Tell on a friend them say Sinus Gaming expand. You know, still one brand. And we're there. And thank you very much for watching this video. And just go and join with your boy here. Ashoo!
I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental.